26,500 square kilometers. A city like no other. Silicon Valley's tech meets Hollywood's allure here, backed by $500 billion in Saudi investment. Renewable energy powers this future metropolis, aiming for zero emissions and unrivaled innovation. Initiated in 2017, Project Neom aims for transformative urban life across 26,500 square kilometers in Saudi Arabia's Tabuk province. Complete by 2030, its $500 billion vision emerged from previously unimaginable ambitions, driven by advanced AI, robotics, and cutting-edge infrastructure. Neom, spanning 26,500 square kilometers, tackles climate change. Smart tech thrives here. It promises renewable energy and AI integration. Without Neom, global urban growth remains strained. Approved in 2017 by Saudi Arabia, its progress sparks curiosity. How can a city rise from desert sands to become a beacon of the future? Neom's vast territory spans over 10,000 square miles. Imagine, enough concrete to build 7,000 Empire State Buildings. Over 2 million construction workers are needed. Enough steel used can circle the earth twice. Machines operate around the clock to shape this immense cityscape. Neom's engineering problem: harnessing renewable energy at unparalleled scale. Engineers deployed large-scale mirror arrays for solar reflectivity. They revolutionized high-efficiency wind turbines. Structural geologists analyze the unique terrain for stability integration. Will the vision of a completely renewable energy-powered city prove feasible? Neom tackles an artificial moon with magnetorheological fluids. These materials change their properties when exposed to magnetic fields. Engineers utilize advanced simulation software to optimize fluid dynamics. The solution allows energy-efficient, adjustable lighting across vast distances, enhancing urban functionality. Early 2019 marked the onset. Over 7,000 workers mobilized to relocate 20 million cubic meters of sand. Gigantic Caterpillar excavators and trucks dominated the landscape. A major hurdle: navigating ancient aquifers. Resolution required advanced geospatial mapping by Arup engineers. Amidst the vast desert, unexpectedly, a critical environmental hiccup emerged. Rare migrating birds conflicted with Neom's central solar field. Engineers paused work, recalibrating plans, using emergency measures. Could this unexpected environmental hurdle derail the $500 billion dream? Over 30,000 workers from over 70 countries converge at Neom. They endure extreme heat, shift work, and isolation. Ahmed, a welder from India, earns $800 monthly. These workers' resilience shapes Neom's ambitious skyline for future generations. Neom requires over 10 million tons of steel and 5 million cubic meters of concrete. Sourcing involves global suppliers with precise logistics. Transportation uses specialized ships and fleets. Novel materials include sustainable geopolymer concrete for structural integrity. Neom pioneered the use of autonomous transport systems, like electric shuttle pods, to eliminate fossil fuels in urban transit. Siemens engineered a heat-resistant AI for utilities control, optimizing energy use in Meherbo's harsh desert climate. In 2020, engineers detected underground aquifers disrupting Neom's construction. Over 150 drilling experts worked tirelessly. They repurposed aquifer water for irrigation by May 2021. Tensions remain high. How will engineers overcome the hidden dangers lurking beneath Neom's surface? Inside Neom, control rooms hum softly. Monitors flicker in dim chambers while automated systems run climate controls. The temperature remains at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Underground tunnels echo distant machinery vibrations. Engineers interact with real-time data dashboards, ensuring seamless operations within this immense desert structure. Over 26,500 hectares of desert habitat could be altered. Wadis disrupted, ecosystems threatened. The construction has stirred significant controversy among environmentalists, prompting urgent debates. Mitigation plans like wildlife corridors continue to divide opinions on their effectiveness. Initially estimated at $500 billion, Neom's budget ballooned to over $700 billion due to ambitious projects. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, through its Public Investment Fund, remains the primary financier. Over 380,000 jobs are expected, boosting GDP significantly. The introduction of Neom reshaped Middle Eastern trade routes. In 2026, it generated $100 billion in increased regional exports. Mecca witnessed a 50% tourism boost, Energy imports dropped by 30% by utilizing Neom's clean energy innovations. Neom's autonomous transport systems integrated over 3,000 kilometers of smart roads. Its water desalination plant, operational since 2022, led the globe in output capacity. Influencing the line's infrastructure, Neom redefined sustainable urban engineering benchmarks worldwide. Future expansions will integrate Neom with emerging regions. By 2035, flying taxis and digital infrastructure could transform global connectivity. Will Neom remain the pioneer, or will projects in China or India take the lead? Silhouetted against fiery skies, a lone worker pauses, gazing at the towering skeleton of a future city. In his worn hands, blueprints curl like fragile dreams, embodying both his aspirations and the weight of an entire civilization's ambition. Witnessing Neom's scale is humbling. Imagine it's 33 times New York City's size. Curious? Join our journey to explore.